ma'am, good afternoon. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa bakuran namin. Or I should say sa likod ng bahay namin. And dito ko po gagawin yung vlog. How you describe yourself? I describe myself, ma'am, as an strong, energetic, and independent woman na din po siguro. Kasi marami po akong nagagawa na halos hindi po lahat kayang gawin. And sa part po ng energetic, kasi sa part naman po ng energetic, ewan ko din po kasi every time po na nasa school ako, masayahin naman. And ano pa ba? Next question. What are the influences of your family in your development as an individual? Ma'am, they influence me. Ano ba? Influence me by ano siguro, ma'am, being a good daughter na lang po siguro. And ma'am, kasi simula po nung bata ako is I don't know, pero parang ano, lagi ko pong nasasabi yung po, opo, like ganun po. Siguro ganun na. Think of a time when you felt that you were your true self. You were your true self. Every time, ma'am, kasi di naman po yung yung true self ko po is never kong tinago. And may kalabaw pala dun. And kasi bayan, naglalag ako, wala akong maisip kasi wala, parang hobby ko na yung ipakita talaga kung sino talaga ako, and I never keep it from everyone, like ganon, ma'am. Yun lang po. Good afternoon ulit, ma'am.